Alright folks, moving can be a daunting task, but when it comes to fragile items, the stakes are even higher. You don't want to unpack just to find your precious belongings shattered. So today I'm going to share some expert tips to help you avoid breakage and keep your fragile items safe during the move. First off, let's talk about packing materials. You can't skimp here. Use high-quality bubble wrap, packing paper, and sturdy boxes. Make sure the boxes are new or in excellent condition. Weak boxes are a recipe for disaster. Reinforce the bottom of your boxes with packing tape to ensure they can handle the weight. Next, wrap each item individually. This is especially important for things like dishes, glassware, and collectibles. Start by wrapping the items in packing paper, then add a layer of bubble wrap for extra protection. Place the heaviest items at the bottom of the box and lighter items on top. Fill any empty spaces with packing peanuts or crumpled paper to prevent movement during transit. Labeling is key. Clearly mark boxes containing fragile items with fragile and handle with care stickers. This alerts movers to take extra precautions when handling these boxes. It's also a good idea to list the contents on the outside of the box, so you know exactly what's inside without having to open it. For electronics, such as TVs and computers, use their original packaging if possible. If you don't have it, invest in specialized boxes designed for electronics. Remove any detachable parts and pack them separately. Wrap the main item in bubble wrap and secure it with packing tape. Place it in the box and fill any gaps with packing peanuts. Don't forget to label these boxes as well. When it comes to loading the moving truck, fragile boxes should be the last to go in and the first to come out. This minimizes the risk of them being crushed under heavier items. Secure them tightly to prevent shifting during transit. Consider hiring professional movers for particularly valuable or fragile items. They have the expertise and equipment to ensure your belongings are transported safely. If you decide to move everything yourself, take your time and don't rush. Careful handling is crucial to avoid accidents. And there you have it. Follow these expert tips and your fragile items will arrive at your new home safe and sound. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you found these tips helpful. Happy moving!